Welcome back, pre-calculus. Here's the last video of ellipses, part 1. We're going to discuss eccentricity. So eccentricity is defined as C over A, the C value that we found in part 1 when we were graphing, and A again is the square root of the bigger denominator, right? And so eccentricity tells us how far away from being a circle we are. So if we think of a circle with eccentricity 0, we think of an ellipse with eccentricity 0, it's going to look like a circle. And an ellipse that has eccentricity close to 1 is going to look like either a really long baguette this way or a really long skinny baguette this way. The closer we get to 1, the closer it's going to be to coming like a straight line, right? So here we go. For number 12, we know E is equal to C over A. Well, we know A is just the square root of this guy because it's bigger, right? So A is just going to be square root of 49, which is 7. The harder one to find is C squared, or C. Well, remember C squared is equal to the bigger denominator subtracting the smaller denominator. 49 minus 36 is 13. So C is going to be the square root of 13. So my E is going to be C over A, or the square root of 13 over 7, which means it's approximately 0.52. So we're neither circular or really skinny. We're somewhere in between. Good? Are we going to be leaning vertical or horizontal? Well, vertical because my Y is. So it's going to be something along this line, somewhere between a circle and a baguette that would be super skinny, right? It's going to be something along that line. All right. Looking at number 13, our A is going to be square root of the bigger denominator, so A is going to be 5. C squared is the bigger denominator minus the smaller. 25 minus 9 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So E for this one is going to be C, which is 4, over A, which is 5, or 4/5. That's approximately equal to 0.8. Getting closer to that baguette, right? All right, number 14. Square root of the bigger one, A is square root of 25, which is 5. C squared is going to be bigger denominator minus smaller denominator, which is 21. C is the square root of 21 then, which is approximately, well, we'll just leave it as square root of 21. E is going to be that C value of a 5. We don't want to approximate here because then we're going to end up with approximation error when we divide here. So this is when we want to plug it into our calculator. Square root of 21 divided by 5 is 0.92. We're getting really stretched out and skinny. This time, though, it's the x squared that is my major axis. It's on the x, so it's getting really stretched out this way. All right, number 15. 45 is my bigger, so A is going to be the square root of 45. Again, leave it just as a square root. That's okay until we get to the last step. C squared is going to be 45 minus 40, which is equal to 5. So C is the square root of 5. E is going to be C over A, so square root of 5 over square root of 45. When we plug that guy into your calculator, you get approximately 0.33 you're getting. All right, that's it for ellipses day 1. We'll do ellipses day 2 over the long weekend. We'll have a day to soak that up on Tuesday, and next Wednesday, you're going to have a quiz.